This week, you're learning how to compare and order numbers. The very best way, very best strategy is to use a place value chart. Okay. So take a look at these first two numbers that I'm comparing. I'm noticing that they go up to the millions place. So on my grid paper, I went ones, tens, hundred thousands, 10,000s, hundred thousands, millions. Okay. So I'm going to plug in my numbers in the place value chart. So I have 8,683,236. And I'm comparing that with 8,681,199,000. Okay. So when you compare numbers, you start in the greatest place value. So I'm looking at the millions, they're the same. So I go to the next place value. They're the same. Go to the next place value. They're the same. So then I'm going to the thousands place. Well, which is greater? 3,000s or 1,000? 3,000s is. So if we're comparing the thousands here and the thousands here, the alligator, the hungry one, is going to want to eat the 3, right? So this number is greater than that number. So our answer would be A. Okay. And then I'm just going to use the same place value charts. What's so great about grid paper? Find you some grid paper. Okay. We're going to order the numbers from greatest to least. I'm going to box greatest to least just so I have a mental note of what I'm doing. These are also going to the millions place, which is great because that's what my place value chart goes to. So I have 6,650,577. I'm comparing it with 6,605,461. I'm comparing it with 6,650,370. And I'm comparing that with 6,606,467. Okay, as I was saying, you compare, you start with the greatest place value. So they all have a 6 in the millions, 6. Oh, here's different. I have a 5050. I'm doing greatest to least. I'm going to look at the ones with the 5s, right? So then there they have a 0 and a 0. So keep going. Oh, this one has a 5 and a 3. So which would be the greatest? The 5, right? So this would be number 1. This would be number 2. Okay. So let's go look at the ones that had the zeros because the 5 was greater. Now we're going to look at the zeros. So I have a 5 in the thousands and I have a 6. Which would be greater? The 6, right? So this would be the third greatest, and then this would be the fourth greatest, right? Easy peasy. So then this would be the first greatest. Easy peasy. This would be the fourth. This would be the second, and this would be the third. Easy peasy, right? Okay, so I'm done with that one. So I can just mark them off. And if you want, what's great about this is I can just fold it up, right? And it's right here by the place value chart. All right, take a look here. We're comparing this number to this numbers. So I have 4,171,458. And I'm comparing it with 4,176,311. Look at the greatest place value. They both have 4s, 1s, 7s. Oh, here it is in the thousands place again. So we're comparing the 1,000 to 6,000. Well, we would say that 1,000 is less than 6,000. So I have my thousands place and I have my 6. So then 1,000 is less than 6,000. So our answer is less than. Now this one, you're ordering numbers from least to greatest. So I have 3,283,463. I have 4,338,196. 3,238,196. 3,238,106. Well, we're doing least to greatest. So here in the greatest place value, here's my 4. That's my greatest. That's going to be my greatest. That's going to be the 4th, right? So then we're done with that one. So then I have 2s. Oh, here's an 8. That's going to be the next greatest. That's going to be 3,